Hi, Marco, our washers at washmart.com. We're making a series, and it's going to be a total of 10 videos, and we're going to go over 10 different forms of marketing that we've done. And so there's going to be some things that we're going to be doing on here that are good forms of marketing, and in some people's opinions, even bad forms of marketing.
How much is the controller cost?
The controller is $59.99.
What?
Okay, so whenever my son goes to school, he's wearing this Washmart shirt, which is going to be number 10, branding. This is a Washmart shirt right here. So whenever my kid goes to school, he's actually assisting with the brand of my company. That is a perfect example of branding. So I want to go over the 10 different types of marketing that we have done, and it's pretty simple. Your 5-mile radius. That's going to be number 1. The second one's going to be EDDM, which is known as every door direct mail. You now have yard signs and door hangers. That's going to be number 3. Number 4 is Facebook. Number 5 is Nextdoor. Number 6 is Angie's List, also known as Angie. Number 7 is Home Advisor. Number 8 is LinkedIn. Number 9 is to be the connector, also known as networking. And number 10 is branding. Contrary to popular belief, all these forms of marketing work. It just depends on if it works for you, your service area, or your business model. The most controversial form of marketing on here is going to be Home Advisor. The form of marketing that worked the most for me was LinkedIn, and that's going to be for the commercial aspect of cleaning. My cleaning business did not do well on Facebook. I do not understand Facebook marketing for the cleaning contractor. I do know that there are ways to make it work better for you, and I'm going to go over things that I do know work, and I'm also going to cover things that can hurt your business. A lot of people don't understand that the market's not as saturated as you think on cleaning services, because whenever I drive through neighborhoods, I still notice that about 60% of driveways and houses and roofs are dirty, which does not really help us, because what happens whenever 80% of the houses are clean? The other 20% are going to feel a lot more obligated to get it done. That's how the lawn care business actually is what it is today. Contrary to popular belief, the lawn care business is a lot more profitable than people think it is. You'll have someone come do your lawn for $50, and it takes them 30 minutes. That doesn't seem like a very effective business model for a lot of people that are in the contract cleaning business. But they're making $50 for every 30 minutes, and they're doing your yard every 2 weeks. So they need a lot less of a client base, and they can still hit their numbers that they need to hit. Also, to put it in perspective, $1,000 worth of lawn care equipment is going to make a lawn care provider a lot more money than $1,000 worth of pressure washing equipment. That is really something that people don't think about when they're comparing lawn care to the cleaning industry. But the main purpose of this video is to make sure that you understand that there is more than just one way to do this, and that you have a lot of options. And our goal is to make sure that you make your business work. We're going to have as much quality content that we can get to you, because we do think that you need to try these different marketing strategies before you just write it off as something that doesn't work, because everyone's market is different, and you're going to find that out very quickly whenever you try these different forms of advertising.